to do your social planner using GoHighLevel. You can plan it out. You can plan it out for 90 days, 6 months, a year. It's all up to you. I have one saved here, so I'm just going to click on there. Oh, didn't want to do that. I want to edit. So I'm going to edit the post. So I have all of these channels, but I wanted to go to this one, which is my Fiercepreneur channel on YouTube. I wrote out my copy, my content for the ad. I got my little hashtags down there. And what some people may not know is that you can even add your first follow-up comment, which is ideal or perfect for your video to most likely gain attention and views if you have your first comment, like, share, and so forth. So I'm going to just go and grab my spin funnel. Let's see, so copy that and go back here and say, click here. You know what? I'm going to use an emoji. Copy. Boom. I'll go back here and I enter that there. So I got my first comment. Okay, short. All right. Here we go. So I will schedule this for tomorrow, 21st at 11 a.m. Schedule post. And that's it. That's how Social Planner works. Thanks for watching.